Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. And look, today I'm going to show you a really cool little hack. Just got home after a gig, something like that. You're starving, it's midnight, we're going to make up some mini pizzas. This is a real cool little KP's quickie recipe, this one. Alright, I've got some bread rolls. If you don't have bread rolls, just use some sliced bread if you have that hanging around. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of baby Ray's down on this one. You could use tomato sauce, you could use pizza sauce if you have that in your fridge. Right, a little bit of cheese down, just a little bit of shredded cheese. We're going to put down a little bit of bacon. Right, put that straight down because everything's better with bacon. Right, I'm just going to throw these straight down. Now my oven and my grill is already, the salamander is already on. These things take no time at all. I'm going to throw down a bit of bacon. If you've got ham, put that down. You've got spam, put that down. Do whatever. We have some sliced pineapple in the refrigerator. We're just going to put down a couple of pieces of that. And this is perfect for, an after the pub type meal. Or, as I said, you've come home from a gig and, you're a little bit peckish before you go to bed. This takes no time at all. I've got some little bits of some Kalamata olive there and some black olive. I always have those in the refrigerator. You can put down whatever you want, whatever you like on the pizza. And if it's sitting in the refrigerator, just throw those down. Sun-dried tomatoes, they work beautiful as well. So we're just going to put these straight down, just like that. And Mrs. KP is doing this for me. It's late night. I'm absolutely stuffed with my MS and my fatigue. She's going to put a little bit more cheese over the top, just like this. And believe me, these taste so good. 11:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. They take no time at all. Right, got a little bit of cheese going down like that. And I'm sitting there hydrating with a little bit of water over on the side there. I'm going to put those straight under the grill. They're going to take only minutes. I'm talking like 2-3 minutes, and they're going to come out looking a little bit like that. Love to see you try and make these after you've got home from the pub late night, just like we did. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get Noma KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And don't forget to leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a late night after drink snack just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. This is the night after, so I've already eaten these and I woke up absolutely fine. I'll catch you next time. Alright, bye.